के कॉर्पोरेट्स में एम्प्लॉय हेल्थ केयर अप्रोच में काफ़ी तेज़ी से बदलाव आ रहा है। कंपनीज अब इंश्योरेंस से एक स्टेप, इनफैक्ट कई स्टेप आगे बढ़ चुकी हैं। कंपनीज अब एम्प्लॉयज़ के मेंटल हेल्थ, प्राइमरी केयर और टेक ड्रिवन वेलनेस पे काफ़ी फोकस दे रही हैं। इन्हीं तमाम मुद्दों पर बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं, जया रामचंदानी जी फ्रॉम गार्टनर। मैम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मैम, सबसे पहले हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि पिछले 10-12 सालों में कॉर्पोरेट में एक शिफ्ट देखा गया है। अब प्राइमरी केयर पर ज़्यादा फोकस दे रही हैं कंपनीज। तो क्या आपको लगता है गार्टनर में एम्प्लॉयज़ के प्राइमरी केयर पर ज़्यादा फोकस दिया जा रहा है?
Yes, surely there has been a big shift. I have been in the benefits world for the past 18 years. But what I have seen in the last 5 to 7 years is monumental in terms of primary health care. पहले ये सब OPD facilities and mental well-being, they were not things which were talked about which OPD was not talked about at all. We were expected to bear our own expenses, do our own primary care. But I think what really brought this monumental shift is the COVID time. Post-COVID, I think there was such a big need because everybody got more conscious about their health. They wanted to do regular health checkups. They wanted to, ensure that they're meeting the physician when it is needed. And also, I think what has happened is the availability now. Because of the whole e-consultation module that has come up, I think it has become more available to our associates, or as we call it in Gartner, our associates want to not step out of the house but still have that comfort of talking to the best of doctors. So healthcare surely has evolved over the last 5-7 years. But I think how we look at healthcare or primary care is also important. See, primary care is not only meeting a physician, primary care is also taking care of your mental well-being. And I think there are a few health tech startups which have come up now which never existed. They have also made this option available to organizations like ourselves.
जब हम हेल्थ और वेलनेस की बात करते हैं, खास करके एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए, मेंटल हेल्थ जैसा कि आपने बोला, वो भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है इसका। तो क्या गार्टनर में और स्पेशली एम्प्लॉयज़ में एक हेजिटेशन रहती है टू कम फॉरवर्ड टू शेयर अबाउट देयर मेंटल हेल्थ इफ दे आर फेसिंग एनी इशू? तो क्या गार्टनर में उस पर स्पेसिफिकली फोकस किया जा रहा है? एंड हाउ आर यू गाइज कोपिंग अप विद दिस थिंग कि एम्प्लॉयज़ आकर शेयर करें अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स?
See, I'll answer this in two ways. Gartner is more than 100% focused on employee mental well-being. We believe that when we have healthy employees, they show more productive at work. Mental well-being is not just coming to work mentally healthy. It could be that you are facing something at home, for sure. You are stressed. But why are you stressed? Is your work-life balance good? Is the organization understanding of your needs? So we have done 2-3 things to ensure this. One, we have given flexibility to our associates. We are a hybrid organization now. In fact, until a few months back, we were a virtual first organization, which means you could work from home, which gives larger flexibility to our associates. They are saving a lot of commuting time. They are working back from home. There is availability of counselors. We onboarded a new vendor globally that supports our mental well-being. Of course, we have visit in India, but globally also we have onboarded another vendor that takes care of all the counseling needs. And that is totally kept confidential. There is nothing that the associate needs to come and talk to us about, because we don't want to differentiate on the basis. Tomorrow, somebody might be going through a stressful situation and we can put it back on that associate that you are not working well because you are under stress, and you go and take, we are not going to give you that kind of work. So we don't want any differentiation on account of mental well-being, and that's why everything is kept 100% confidential. We also, what we do is we promote our PTO, which is paid time off policy, in a way that it is available to our associates to take. We don't encash any carry forward leaves, which means छुट्टियां हैं, आपको लेनी है, you sit back at home. We are not saying you go out on a vacation, but if you feel burnt out, if you feel you need to sit back at home, relax, spend time with your friends and family, which could be de-stressing for you, do that. So all these things that we have done have worked really well for the mental well-being of our associates.
आज के समय में हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी से घिरे हुए हैं और इसी के साथ हेल्थ टेक करके कॉन्सेप्ट आज के टाइम में इमर्ज कर रहा है। तो क्या आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कोई स्पेसिफिक एप्स यूज़ कर रही है, कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो आप चला रहे हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए?
So in terms of health tech, we depend on Visit totally because they are our primary care provider. What it has helped us with is the statistics that it gives out to us every now and then. There is a dashboard that is sent across to us on quarterly basis, so we know what is the kind of utilization that we are seeing. If there is a particular business unit which is using more of outpatient services, more of counseling services, which is also through Lira, we get stats. Then we check that, do we need to do something? Do we need to intervene? How it is also working is that we have our inpatient insurance, the health insurance program. But because preventative care has become so strong due to these health tech companies, and the data is so readily available that you can always analyze the data to see where you need to intervene before it reaches the health insurance. So what is also happening is our claims are reducing, which is working very well for us.
Thank you so much, ma'am, अपना समय निकालने के लिए, and it was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.